What the fuck is up, dudes? Yeah, man. Name's fucking, Robbie. This is my fucking place. I go to fucking college now, man. You won't guess how much fucking pussy I get, dude. Yeah, it's my fucking bed. I start doing my fucking work. See these pillows? Yeah, they're on the fucking floor when I'm done with those fucking girls, man. But yeah, I've just been chilling real good, watching some fucking TV and shit. I got my fucking Gillette. The bitches love that shit. It smells really fucking good. I've just been drinking a lot, fucking partying, smoking some weed, and getting bitches, man. Fucking bitches, I get jacked with my boys at the fucking gym. Yeah, it's fucking sweet. Dude, I just been fucking chilling. Yeah. But fuck. Check out my room a little bit. It's like my Bob Marley, posters. A few of them, because, I get high and, fucking high, and, it's pretty fucking sweet. Pop pills once in a while, too. It's usually I get my girls. I just don't know what the fuck's going on, so, I don't give a fuck. I'm fucking high, get mad fucking bitches. There's, books up there, you see? You see them? Yeah, I don't fucking use books. No, I just fucking cheat all the time. Yeah, man, got my fucking Arizona iced fucking tea, and I just do what I have to, man. About to go work out though, so I'll check you guys later. It's my bed. Maybe the girls, you can be seeing that a lot. Yeah, so just fucking chilling, man. Catch you guys later.